Oh no, it says the park is closed due to construction.
Oh, it's fine. We can still go. What's the worst that can happen?
Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Bree and I'll be posting a video every day in October. So this video is going to be uploaded late today because I just not having a good day at all. I had like a million conference calls today. My skin is breaking out, so I don't have on any makeup because I think my skin is mad at me right now. Bad hair day. So I just have it like tossed up here. I need to wash it. So, sorry. And you already know it didn't get uploaded at 8 a.m. and I apologize about that. But today, I have a declutter with me of sorts. I have all of these costumes. Literally, it's a huge box of costumes. So, if you're new here, I have two kids. One is 4 and the other one is 2.5. I could never justify paying $20, $30, $40 a costume for my kids. So I buy from discount stores such as Bargain Hunt. Their costumes are usually $5. Or I wait until costumes go to 90% off at like Walmart, Target, wherever, and then I buy costumes for the next year. So we have quite a lot of costumes. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first one we have, my daughter wore this one last year, and it is a Mickey, well, mini wizard dress. It's a 2, but it was huge on her last year, so I think she actually could probably still wear it. So I'm gonna keep this one. That one's cute. So I'll put that here. Now this is a Dora costume and it's a 3. Another thing is I am number 5 of 6 kids. So my youngest sister and I, we shared everything, and it was like a lot of hand-me-downs. So I think that's why I am the way I am. I just can't, I don't know. Parents, let me know if you have multiple kids. Do you spend like $20, $30 on costumes for them? We really like Halloween, so we have multiple events planned every year. Like this year we have a lot planned and it's a pandemic, so typically we have a lot planned. Last year I think my kids had, I don't know, they probably have pictures in 6 different costumes, which I guess can seem excessive, but literally we pay, I think the most I've ever paid for a costume is like $250. And my kids love playing dress up too. This, I guess that hack wouldn't really work for kids who are picky or for older kids. But if you are looking for ways to save on costumes, there's that. So we have another one. It's this walk costume from Beat Bugs, I think. Yeah, we're gonna probably sell that one. We have this bunny costume. Definitely. My daughter actually won a costume contest last year in this one, but yeah, we're gonna get rid of that one. She can't fit that one. So we're gonna sell that one. We have another one here. And this one is, I think it's called Smek from the movie Home. And this one was only $1.30. So brand new costumes. I just wait for a deal. I don't mind waiting on deals now. So yeah, we're gonna list that one too. This one, I don't think he can fit this one anymore. It is a DuckTales is Mr. Scrooge, and I don't even know what he did with the face thing. So that one I'm probably gonna ask my brother if my nephew wants it because he's about to be 3, so I'm sure he could fit that one. So some of these things I'm going to give to my nephew, actually. And then we even have some that I could probably give to my niece. My brother and I had kids around the same time, so our kids are around the same age, so that'll work out perfectly. He may not even have to buy costumes this year. Next one is this Incredibles costume. I'm pretty sad about this one, though, because I didn't know he was going to grow that fast. This one actually came from the Disney store, so this one was a good deal, too, but it wasn't as cheap as the other ones. I think this is probably the only one that I paid like $5 for, but it is like a legit costume, you know, it's not cheap. So yeah, definitely gonna sell that one. We have this puppy dog costume. I'm gonna text my sister and see if my nephew wants this, because my baby sister and the little baby that was in the stroller in the intro, he's turning 1 this month, so he can fit this. So I'm gonna put this aside for him, actually. Put that down there for them. And have this, I'm gonna keep this one. This is a PJ Masks outlet costume for my daughter. I'm gonna keep that. Have these, it's a pirate costume and it says hippie costume. See, like this one right here, this one's like 50 cents. But yeah, I actually bought these two. I donate to a local shelter. I bought those two for the kids there. I don't think they're accepting donations though, so. Also have the Shimmer and Shine costume. Definitely keeping that for my daughter, for sure. She actually has, it's a pageant tomorrow. We haven't decided if we're gonna let her do it for sure, because, I don't know. It's outside, but still. Such a weird time right now. And this one, yeah, I'm definitely keeping this one. This one is a Black Panther costume. So yeah, my son definitely will wear that one. So sad, but yeah. Oh, this one I bought for my nephew last year. This one I think was 50 cents too. And yeah, so obviously we're keeping that one. Maybe I'll give it to him for his birthday. Just kidding. That's kind of weird. Okay, we have a Jessie costume, and yeah, we're gonna keep that one for my daughter. And I bought these two for my nephew. They're both Scooby-Doo, but one is obviously bigger, so I figured Scrappy-Doo and Scooby-Doo. I think that would be cute. My nephew party is next week, so maybe they can, it's a costume party, maybe they can wear those. Also have a Buzz Lightyear for my son. Gonna keep that one. I have this Lion King one for my son. I don't know, it's kind of weird. I don't like, it looks cheap. So I'll probably sell it. And we just got a couple random things here. We have I guess just like accessories. I'm gonna keep these because, like I said, my kids do love dressing up, so just like random stuff. I hope they have the same amount of costumes. I'm probably gonna have to look at that. This is a Roadster Racer costume. He wore it to Disney on Ice last year. I'm sure he can't fit it anymore, so I'm gonna have to sell that one. And we have some Frozen costumes. I'm gonna keep that for my daughter because she loves Frozen. So Anna, Elsa dress. This actually is her birthday dress from last year. So I think she can still fit that one. We have an Elmo costume. That one, I'll put it to the side for my nephew, but that, I think both of my kids wore those their first year Halloween. And I don't think it's a random Santa Claus outfit. I'm gonna give that to my nephew too. And then, so I guess I said declutter. Okay, so these two, my nephew only kept 3 for my son, the Black Panther, Scooby-Doo, and Buzz Lightyear. For my daughter, I only kept 3, Jessie, Shimmer and Sean and that cute one. I kept all the accessories just for dress up, and I decided to get rid of the Frozen costumes. Not get rid of it, I'm gonna see if my brother wants it, so I'll check to see what he wants right here, because he has 3 kids. Let's see, I think it's 1, 2, 3. That's a brand new one. 4, 5, 6, 7. Not that one, we're gonna get rid of that one. 8 costumes there, and then these I'm probably gonna sell. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So yeah, we did get rid of a lot. Yeah, that was my little declutter / Halloween costume haul. My kids are asleep, or I would have had them try them on for you guys, but yeah, so that was day 2 of Vlogtober. I will be posting every day in October. It will mostly be vlogs, but I do have a little bit of content in there like this. Next video will be our decorate with me. We're gonna decorate our patio and the rest of our house because we recently moved, so I'm still trying to get through a lot of my Halloween stuff. And we did go to Gabe's, I think it's called Gabe's, and bought some Halloween stuff. So we will be doing that in our next video. So I hope that you like it. And if you're here just because you searched Vlogtober and you found me, hey, how are you? I will be posting every day in October. And if you like my content, you should consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. Yeah, so until tomorrow, bye.